If you want more fans to hear your music and earn more royalties, but hate posting on social media and tired of releasing songs with barely any streams, this video is for you because I'm going to break down how Spotify pre-save campaigns can guarantee the day your song releases, fans are ready to stream it. Let's jump into it. My name's Chris, also known as the artist Manafest. I have about 400,000 monthly listeners. And yes, I love Earl Grey tea, but more importantly, I love getting streams on my music. And I have a new song coming out in a few weeks, and I can't rely on luck or hope. Hope isn't a strategy for marketing your song, so that's why I'm running a Spotify pre-save campaign to get fans to pre-save my song before it comes out. And what a pre-save campaign does is it tells Spotify when the song is released to save it to their library. Okay? It doesn't guarantee instant streams though, but it will show up in the Spotify library of the person who pre-saved it. And at the same time, if you do this right, you also collect their name and email address so you can follow up with them. And then when that song goes live the day of, you can follow up, get them to stream it, which will help trigger release radar. There's lots of different softwares to use for this. We're going to be using a software called Hypeddit so that you get that landing page and then you can run Facebook and Instagram ads to it. We're going to walk through this step by step, but this is really important in building up that buzz so when that day comes that song comes out, you have more chances of triggering that algorithm. Let's jump into it. So step one is you want to upload your music and schedule it for release. I like DistroKid. You can use TuneCore, CD Baby, whoever you want, but you've got to schedule it for release first. And my song's not coming out until November 7th, so there's still 2 weeks until today. And so if I click on this song, you can see, yeah, it's coming out November 7th. Here's the UPC code, but more importantly, here's the ISRC code, which we're going to need in a minute. And then I got to set up the pre-save campaign. Well, how am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to click on this software here. It's called Hypeddit, and I'll put a link below to a 7-day free trial. And what I want to do is I want to set up Facebook and Instagram ads so that the pre-saves are going. And you can see I've already got them started here already, but I want to set up a new fresh campaign. So I'm going to click on New Campaign. And then what I want to do is I want to grow my Spotify pre-saves. Get more pre-saves for your playlist with AI-powered music ads on Instagram and Facebook, okay? And so we're going to click on Select. And then this is really important, okay? Advanced. Up to 2 times more pre-saves. Fans will pre-save your unreleased music and get a download as an instant reward. So instead of just saying, oh, pre-save my song, we're going to give them something for free, like the new song, or in this case, I'm going to give them 10 songs. I'm also going to test giving away 50 songs. Why? I don't care, man. I just want to get known. I'm not worried about them leaking the song. I'm worried at the fact that nobody knows I exist. Even if we go to my profile, we got about 396,000 monthly listeners. I'm like non-existent to the majority of the world. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to click Select. And then it's asking for that ISRC code. Okay, so this is so Spotify can connect this song to their library when it drops. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to copy. And I'm going to paste that sucker in there. And then it wants to know the release date. So I'm going to fill that out and put November 7th. It wants to know the artist profile. So I'm going to type Manafest. Song title, Blow the Doors Off. Boom. I don't think there's an exclamation mark. What kind of style is this? This one's metal, hard rock. Now, upload the audio file you would like to share with fans, MP3, WAV, or zip file. So in this case, I'm going to give them the whole album that I want to give away. It's an older album, but it's a rock album, and I'm going to give them the whole thing. So I'm going to click right here. So here's the master folder here, Wolves Master MP3s. Upload. Click Next. Now, it wants the album artwork for the cover of the song, so I'm going to click here, double click on the artwork. Now, this is not what I want for the ad though. Like, sure, I could just play the song and that's fine, but I want to actually upload my own videos. So I've got a couple of ads here. I've got this ad number 2 that I'm going to drop in here. And then I'm going to drop another ad in here because I always like to drop 2 ads at a time. Okay, so I've got 2 ads going there. I'm going to click next, and then I can decide what countries I want to put this in. So I'm actually going to do tier 1, and I am going to I'm going to take out United States and Canada because I just want this for international fans right now. And then for interests, I'm going to click add manually, and I got to put in who I sound like. Who do you sound like? Well, I sound like Linkin Park. I also sound like Breaking Benjamin. Definitely got to put Limp Bizkit in there. So I think 3 is good. Then I click generate interests. And so what this is going to do now, this is going to target these artists on Facebook. Now I'm going to remove System of a Down, and I'm going to just keep those 4. And then next is my budget. Now, right now it's got $7 Canadian. It can cost anywhere from 30 cents to a couple of dollars per pre-saves. It's more expensive than getting clicks because you're getting the name, email, and the pre-save, which is really important. So I'm going to keep that at $7. And then I'm going to click on advanced settings. Now this is really important, okay? So I'm going to put here in the text, I'm going to put download 10 free rock songs when you pre-save, blow the doors off. Okay? And then I'm going to put down here, just download 10 free rock songs. Okay? And then I'm going to put English. Now, you don't have to give away music for free, but I will tell you, free is the most powerful word in marketing. Give whatever you can away. If you can, at least give away a song or something early, if not the actual song, because it incentivizes people. Because most people don't want to pre-save our music. We need to give them a reason, and we need to give them the sexiest, most compelling reason as possible to pre-save our music. Then you're going to click next. You're going to have to connect your Facebook and Instagram account here, add your credit card and all that stuff. Then you're going to click confirmation summary. Then you're going to click 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to click publish now. Now that the pre-save is set up, the next thing we got to get ready for is when the song releases, and we want to grow and promote that song with a Spotify playlist. So you definitely want to watch this video right here on how to do that.